Yay, look what I got today. So excited. Let's open it up. What's it say for us today? This box is filled with love and pretty elements to help your already present shine. I think that's what it says. You are loved. Cute. All right, so I have not looked inside here yet. I thought I'd do it with you. I'm holding the camera, so I'm doing this one-handed. So I could see right on the top is, ooh, that is one skinny pen. But look at that cute flower. That's going to work with me. All right, so we have a whole bunch of this pink funfetti. Pink and white. Let's pull that out. And I will show you all of the stickers at the end of the video. I'll open them up and show you. I'm just going to show you quickly what's in the box. We have a pen, erasable gel pen. How does this one work? It's not working when I press it. Is it a twisty one? Okay, I will work on that in a minute. What is this? I am not sure what that is. I might have to read it. Is that a... No, it's not a ball. I just tried bouncing it. Okay, I'm a little confused. I will have to... Oh, you know what? I think it's gel. Or slime. I see that it can be opened. Right there it looks like. So I will open that up and check it out too. Alright, so here we have our... These are usually the stickers that are for the monthly. I love the doily hearts. Very cute. And then this packet here, which is thicker, this will be for the weeklies because they give you enough to use it several times. You don't want all this to fall. I'm moving it off to the side here. And then there's always some cute little stickers in here. Oh, the koalas are so cute. And then there's the box of big stickers there. And what do we have here? This is a notepad. Let's see if we can, yep, oh, different pages. Let's see how many different pages. Oh, very cute. And I'm pretty sure they make this with their own paper. My List. Love it. And there's something stuck in it. And I think it's... Ooh. Look at those clips. Oh, that one says love. Those are very pretty. Love those. And there's some candy. A Kit Kat. And a Hershey's. And I have still got lots of candy from Christmas. I might share these with my son, especially since they are white chocolate, and I'm not a fan, but I like to share, so he'll like it. Alright, let's look at our papers we got here. I'm gonna move the box. Alright, so this is kind of a shiny vinyl. And that's double-sided. This one's not quite as shiny. So cute. Sometimes I just want to like cut some of these things out, like this one. Just like cutting, you know, this out and Hello Gorgeous and turning them into stickers myself. Now this one, oh, wow. That's beautiful. Love it. Alright, I gotta find something to start doing with those. That's doggy toy over there. And this one's just a matte black with the hearts, and then the flip side. Very pretty. Aww, look at the kitties. Those are cute. cookies, heart-shaped cookies. Oh, and there's a doily. Wonderful. Probably do something with that doily in my, what do you call it? I can't even think. My brain's not working. It's late. I got home from work. I saw this, and I'm like, I have to open it. TN, that's what I was thinking of, my Traveler's Notebook. There's another, and that's double-sided as well. So that is what we've got in the box. So I will get to opening and try to set up the camera, and then I will do a flip through of. Real quick, I wanted to show you I figured out the pen. There we go. It does work. I think I'm going to put this one in my purse, and it's by right here. And I should have known that because I have a set like that already. And then, whoops, it's kind of coming out of there. And this was slime. So, yeah, that's really pretty. So, we'll see if I can get the cover back on it. Otherwise, I'll put it in a little Ziploc. But, I don't know, slime. It's kind of neat. Kind of neat, but, yeah. It's a nice little jobby. Nice little globby, I meant to say. I wonder if they made this or if they ordered it. All right, let's begin with some of the smaller stuff here. I call these little samplers, but that might not be a sampler. The koalas, and then there's some of the bears. And then these are 4 stickers, and then like a washi. And then we're going to get to all the little, like, I mean, they kind of look like ephemera type things, but they're actually stickers. And I just love the fact that they're stickers. They're just so wonderful for decorating up some of your notebooks and things like that. So these would be great for decorating cards and such. They are just adorable. Look at, aw, she's cute. And you could turn some of these into even paper clips if you wanted to. I usually don't use these in the pages of my planner because they're a little bit larger, but some of them that are smaller you definitely could. And this is a big note card. Cookies cooling on the cookie sheet. Planner. Oh, a little teddy bear. Definitely this would make a cute little paper clip. And now we've got some big ones coming up here. So these would definitely be nice. I don't think I'd decorate a card with this, but I'd find something to do with it. Oh, come on, we're getting to some bigger ones here. I can't pick them up. There we go. Ooh, the bouquet. The date. You could put that on your big calendar at home. There's a big one. It's a nice long one. And then there's 2 cards. And they're blank on that side, so like postcards. So those are really nice. All right, I'm going to open up the... okay, I'm going to flip through these and go kind of quickly. These are foil. Trying to get it where you can see the foil. There you go. And I do use those. Here's some boxes, and then your date cover-ups for the month. There's that one, washi tape, and your days of the week. And then this is for your sidebar. All right, now on to the weekly kit. So you get these, and I love that you get it with all the ladies. I just think it's lovely with all those. And this is how, whoops, that's how I dye my hair. This is how my hair ends up looking a little bit. And that's what I always wanted to be. I used to blonde. All right, so there's those ladies. I usually end up putting those on a sidebar or something. All right, sorry, my hand is so close. So here's your full boxes. And there's your like half boxes and a checklist. The weekend's really cute with the little swirls. Some little thin washi. I usually use these littler pieces of washi in my traveler notebook. And there's your checklist boxes and checklist flags. This is beautiful. That's some more washi, and that is in the foil. And that is with the day cover-ups and some bows. And if you don't use those bows for Valentine's Day, those would come in really nice for Christmas or 4th of July as well. And so there's another set of full boxes. And then here's some foiled boxes along with some non-foiled boxes. Those are more like your half boxes and quarter boxes. This, I believe, is like little washi strips. Yeah, those are the little washi strips. All right, and then there's just some deco. I mean, you just get with these kits, you get so many, just from the previous I showed you and this, so many stickers to use. I mean, if you have several calendars, these are going to go for several of those calendars. So there's that one. So then there's some more deco. And then there's always these ones with the half, I call them doilies. And the ladies where you can put your computer work on. I usually use these on one of the week just to kind of track what my hours have been. And then there's all your to-dos and your headers. I just like the variation of the pink, darker pink, and into the red. So this is different. I haven't gotten a kit yet where there's been this many cover-ups for the days. So these are the weeks. So this is really nice. I like that because I think I might even save the red for like 4th of July or something like that. Although I'll be getting a 4th of July kit, so why? Why save? And a bunch more washi. This is new too, haven't gotten it. So I like it that some things get changed up a little. This is awesome. And then these are just really cute little box fillers. They're very, I want to say delicate and dainty because they look like, not doilies, but ribbon, you know, pretty ribbon. So yeah, so that is that. That is all of it. So it's wonderful as usual. I love all the pinks in it. So I will get many, many uses out of this. And I will make sure, because I realized I show these unboxings, but I've yet to show my planner because I used to do that every week. Show my planner, and I don't anymore. So I will be doing a flip through soon and share that with you. So thanks everyone for watching. I hope you like this unboxing. And this is from DEK Designs. And I think last video I forgot to put her link down in there. I will remember to get that link down in there today. So you can check her site out. And maybe you want to get one of the planner boxes. So thanks so much. Have a great day. Love to all.